Okay, now we are going to launch an instance, the EC2 instance for my front-end and backend. So the first one, we're going to deploy the front end to micro, select the key pair, then we can select the VPC like the VPC that I created right now. Then for the front end, I'm going to select the public one, the auto assign public. It will be enabled automatically because I set the setting for this one. Then I will create a like front end security group where all traffic will be enabled from anywhere. Okay, so let's just do this first. If another stuff also in here, so go to our EC2 dashboard. Okay, so if I go to my EC2, let's go to it. Okay, still creating, let it be created. Click on the launch instance, the front end, then Ubuntu. Okay, then key pair, I can create a key pair for this one. Suppose I can create like entire, like key pair should be good, then create key pair, then save it. Okay, now I've created the network section here in the VPC. This is the default one. So instead of the default one, I'm going to use this entire VPC. VPC. Okay, just give the two name. Okay. So see the when it's by default selecting the public too, the auto assign is disabled. So if I select any public one, like suppose the public one is okay, is the public one or what? Mm, yeah, this is the public one. Okay, why didn't we save it in here? Public one actions, submit settings. Okay, it's enabled. So why is it not? Okay. So enter app VPC. But for which one I did this? Let's see. This is oh, I did for this one the enter VPC, but I have to do this for this one. Sorry, my bad. There should be more, right? See enter app VPC. Okay, so what we can do, we can assign the auto assign public we enabled. Then we can create a security group for this one, like front end SG means front end security group. Then type will be all and from anywhere. So it will be access anywhere traffic. After that, yeah, everything looks good. Okay, so if I go to the advanced details and scroll down, so I should be able to see use the data. So in here, what we can do, we can write some shebang lines. So whenever this instance is created, it will run some predefined commands. Like suppose for our front end, what we do, we install the node version manager, then we install the npm, then we install the dependencies, then we clone it, then we clone the repo, like this kind of stuff, right? So we can all do this in here also. So if I show you, so in here what we did, we copy this curl commands, this one and this one to activate it. After that, in the shebang line, we sudo apt update, then copy that curl command, then paste this one, then npm install, then clone this one. Okay. So we can do the same thing for here also. So I'll just copy this one, and in here we can the shebang line. To give the shebang line, what we have to specify with, we have to specify this hash, an exclamatory, then slash bin slash bash. Then we can run sudo apt update. It will update all the packages. Then it will run this one. Then to activate this, what we have to do, copy this, then sorry, then paste this, paste this in here. Okay, so after that, what we do, we can just sorry. Okay, so after that, this one. Okay, so after that, we can just install the npm 16. Then we can just clone the repo. So let me just copy this one, Twitter application. Then HTTPS, we can copy with the HTTPS also. The npm install 16. Then it will, sorry, at first we have to write git clone. Okay, git clone. Okay, everything looks good. Now we can launch the instance. So that's how you can use your user data to use predefined scripts to launch the instance.